TV on the porch. We got the chicken on the. We got the chicken on the grill, looking good for real. Back to the TV. We're gonna put some wrestling on tonight. WWE Friday night. SmackDown. Like back in the day. Like back in the day. Here we go. Outside. Oh, with the bike too. Got the boarded up windows. What? I'm at a place.
For a minute. No, leave the lid on. Nobody else in my life would ever fucking even dream